Welcome to the unit on correlation. In this unit, we will be looking at key concepts through review exercises. The objectives for this session are to review previous topics through exercises, namely, sketch a scatter diagram and specify the value of the gradient and y-intercept in a linear equation. Pause the video and have a go at these review exercises. When you are ready to view the solutions, press play. So let's have a go at exercise 1 first. An ice cream vendor records the number of ice creams sold in his shop on various days of the year and also records the temperature in degrees centigrade on those days. The table shows his findings. Present this information in a scatter diagram. Here's the diagram. We have temperature on the x-axis and we have the number of ice creams sold on the y-axis. 22,173 goes here, 23,179 goes here, and so on. 30,233 goes here, 31,239, and 32,248. Now let's discuss straight lines. The equation of a straight line can be written as y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Or it can be written as ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. We will now proceed to find the values of the gradient and y-intercept for the equations shown in exercise 2. Let's begin with exercise 2a. Now y equals minus 8x plus 5 is already in the form y equals mx plus c. So the gradient m equals minus 8 and the intercept c equals 5. We will now proceed to find the gradient and y-intercept for part 2b. Since 2x plus 8y minus 7 equals 0 is not in the form y equals mx plus c, we need to make y the subject of the equation first. Hence, 8y equals minus 2x plus 7. And dividing by 8 gives y equals minus 1 over 4x plus 7 over 8. So the equation is now in the form y equals mx plus c. And we can now see that m equals minus 1 over 4. And the y-intercept c equals 7 over 8. This brings us to the end of this session. If you have understood its contents, you should be able to sketch a scatter diagram and specify the value of the gradient and y-intercept in a linear equation. Thank you very much for listening.